As someone who manages the data for safety and for Shawmut, this is huge.
Clients were struggling to use complicated external reporting tools, and site teams were not receiving the data that they desperately needed. So we wanted to solve this problem for them and give them access to all the vital information when they log in within HammerTech.
HammerTech is an all-in-one for us and for Shawmut. It's got everything that really we need, where the software that we've used in the past is just kind of that singular software. Really, we're looking for something total, all-in-one, the whole package, and that's definitely what we have with HammerTech.
HammerTech is a safety and site operations software platform for construction. So we help teams democratize safety and site operations data, putting more information in the hands of people like subcontractors, site teams, to make sure that they can make data-driven decisions, be much more effective in their roles, and save a hell of a lot of time.
HammerTech, with the addition to insights, is going to show our project teams and all of those that really touch safety and the day-to-day, what is going on in their projects through obviously data and metrics, and how can things be changed. Whereas the day-to-day prior was a lot of, emailing out reports and pulling from different sources and making sure that everything's tagging to, one source. It all lives right there within Insights.
I think Insights is probably the most impactful for site teams. They don't have to be versed in some type of BI tool where they're getting their data and analytics. It's literally a click of a button away for them. They're able to be logged into HammerTech like they are every day working on the project. And with Insights, now they have the visibility into their data. They see which subcontractors are performing well, who's submitted their pre-task plans for the day, who's done their toolbox talk, how many contractors have outstanding observations. They're able to measure all of this, hold those people accountable, and it just helps everybody become more efficient in their roles.
Insights comes with pre-built templates designed to display information specifically for the individual projects. Everyone has easy access to key statistics, trends, and rates.
One of the things that HammerTech has allowed us to identify is hand and finger injuries as well as eye injuries. This has enabled us to implement 5 points of PPE, which has reduced our injuries by 80%.
For Safety Director, it allows them to easily measure performance across the organization. It gives them the ability to have some accountability for their individuals working on projects. Also, it allows project teams to be accountable themselves. They have the access to that data and they can now start to monitor it for themselves and make informed decisions. You're really giving the tools to your team to succeed, which is ultimately the goal as a Safety Director, is to elevate those underneath you, and this allows them to do that.